Hello, Robot Damashii fans. This is Carlos1104, and my latest review is going to be on the Gundam Exia Avalanche. This is a cool figure because of it's based off of a really good Damashii figure. Basically, it's Exia with different parts attached to it to make it look bulkier. It has exactly the same weapons as the Exia. Like I said, it just comes with some extra parts. So let's see what it comes with. First, it comes with obviously its main weapon. Comes with that. It comes with shield. Comes with these two blades here. Move it up a little bit so you can get a good look. One long one short. You'll recognize them from the get it clear, from the 7 sword pack. Comes with 4 beam sabers. 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. Let's see. It also comes with, zoom that in. 1 long beam. No, I'm sorry. 2 long beams. So the 2 long beams. And comes with 2 dagger beams. As you can see. Comes with 2 open palm hands. Comes with 2 closed fist hands and 2 weapon holding hands. Okay. The articulation in this figure is not that great because of its extra armor. It stops it from being able to move in certain directions. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. Here you see the leg with the booster, but because of this large skirt in the back and the booster, it can only go about that far back, which isn't great articulation, but you know, it gets by. The arm moves, can get to about that far up, about straight away, as you can see. But when I turn the arm, you see why. There's a lot of stuff on the arm. So its mobility is kind of hindered. Won't be able to move that much. But it's cool, so you can forgive it for that. Same thing with this arm. It can't go past that point. Just can point straight. As you can see. Same thing with the other leg. Can only go about that far back before being stopped by the booster. Straighten that back up. The foot is the articulation is the same as the Exia. Can move from side to side pretty good. Can move up, can move down, it goes really far down, and it can, you can see it can disconnect a little bit from the middle, so you can give it like a, it looks like it's pushing off when you put it on the ground. Put it back down. The head can move side to side with no problem. Another piece of articulation that it has is in its boosters over here. Can move back, forward, up and out like that. Up and out like that. Almost looks like the Death Sky Hell when it's like that. And these also, there's some articulation. They, hold on 1 second. They bend, revealing a GN condenser or a little engine booster there. Now I used to think that this was armor, but I did some reading up on the Gundam Exia Avalanche, and it actually is not armor. It's to give it more speed and more mobility when it's fighting. So that's how it looks. That's the articulation. Not much, but you can get by. You can pull off cool poses. Another thing it comes with, you can't really see it, but it comes with a little attachment so you can put it on the stand. Because as you can see, it would be a bitch to try to hook up any kind of stand to this because there's something everywhere. It also has this little piece right here that comes off that you can attach its weapons to. Right there. Zoom in on that. And that connects to the back. The swords actually could move around in it, like so. Pretty cool. Put that back. Actually, no, I'm going to leave that off so I can show you the back. The back is the same thing as the Exia. These three parts open up, as well as the engine can be pulled out, so you can get a better look at the GN drive. These move around, so you got some articulation there, as you can see. And that is really it for this figure. My final thoughts on this figure is that it's really cool. I like it a lot. You're not getting much articulation, but you're getting an awesome looking figure, and you don't really need that much articulation. You can pretty much pull off whatever you want to pull off. It's a really cool figure. I highly recommend it. The price isn't bad because it isn't a exclusive, so you should be able to find it between 50 and 60 bucks on eBay or on other websites like Big in Japan or Hobby Link Japan. Highly recommend it. Really cool figure. It's sturdy. It's solid. Doesn't feel like it'll break off. It has a good weight to it. And that's gonna be it for this review. So hopefully you like it. And if you can, pick it up. Thanks for watching, guys.